What's going on, everyone? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about my blacked out headlights here, how the actual light output is with these. We are going to be talking about the stock or the OEM bulbs that came with these headlights versus the new upgraded lighting that I did put into here. And we also will be installing new LED amber turn signal bulbs. I will be showing you what these look like in the daylight as well as what they look at nighttime. So let's get started. So when I did purchase this vehicle with the regular reflective headlights and the same old bulbs, it was pretty terrible driving at night. And unfortunately, I don't have any clips to show you exactly what it was like, but just to put it into perspective, I was literally only able to see about 6 to 7 feet in front of me. No joke. And that was 6 to 7 feet in front of me with my fog lights on. When I did go and kill those fog lights, I would lose about 50% more of that light that I really didn't even have to begin with. So it was pretty terrible driving at night. So at this time, I thought maybe the bulbs were just super old and crappy and just about basically burnt out. So I did go on the forums just to see if this was a common problem or not with these headlights and halogen lighting here. And I did come to find out through many threads that people were having these same issues, not getting an adequate amount of light out of these headlights. Not really out of these headlights, but basically through the OEM bulbs that came from the factory in these headlights here. So they would just upgrade their lighting to address this issue. Now, while I was going into play and making these blacked out headlights, I was planning on upgrading my lighting regardless. So what I use for my low beams here are these Philips Extreme Visions plus 130% more brightness. So these are super bright compared to the regular Visions or regular OEM bulbs. Now these are really good. They are brighter than what I had previously with my fogs, lows, and highs all put together. So these are really good for the low beams here. Now these are not like the super white or like the 5000 Kelvin bulbs. Kelvin, if you're unfamiliar, is the temperature at which the lamp burns at, but these are 3500, which are the regular lights. Now I did go ahead and get these bulbs because they did say that they are 130% more brightness. Unfortunately, I was unable to find the 5000 Kelvin with the 130. I believe there was like a plus 30, plus 90 or something like that with the 5000s, but I just wanted to make sure, going from what I had, that I have a ton of light now, and these definitely did the trick here. So what I use as my daytime running lights are these Nokia. These are hyper yellow pro halogen headlight bulbs that are 2500 Kelvin. So you're gonna get that really nice yellow out of these bulbs, as you can see here in the daylight. And I especially like these with a blacked out headlight. Now, as you can see here at night, these shine super bright. We're just sitting here off to the side of the road, pretty far back, and I can turn my high beams, which is in conjunction with your daytime running lights here, and I can turn on these high beams here, and you can see it just lights everything up that beautiful yellow. So down the road, I definitely want to match these hyper yellows to my fogs as well, but for now, these are really good. And last but not least are these N-Page LED amber turn signal bulbs. And not only do they look really cool, but they shine very bright as well. Now, as you can see here in my blacked out headlights, I've actually removed that clear corner plastic piece as well as the actual side marker reflector piece. So all you see here is the existing bulb. And in this before shot here, all you can see is that existing bulb, and it doesn't really look that nice. And I'm hoping once we do put these bulbs in, it's going to look a lot better. Yes, the bulb is going to be exposed with really no covering or anything like that, but I think these will definitely be better, and they're going to shine brighter as well. And I really didn't think once I put these regular bulbs back in without no reflector piece or anything like that, that you weren't going to be able to see them well, and it could have been a problem, but they do shine bright as well. But putting these LEDs in here, I think they're going to look a lot better and also shine a lot better too. So we're going to head out right now to install these so I can show you guys exactly what these look like before and after. So this turned out to be an LED fail. The second I put these LED bulbs into the headlight housing, I knew that I did not like these whatsoever. And no, it wasn't just the color that these were silver and they stuck out like a sore thumb. Even if these were black, I would have not liked them really whatsoever at all anyways. So they really stuck out on like an angle that you could see from any distance, and that really bugged the hell out of me. And they were snapped into the wiring harness and they were straight. I just think that since they were so long, that coming into the headlight, you just saw that massive angle that you really don't see with just the OEM bulbs or the stock bulbs. So that really bugged me as well. And we took them out. They weren't even in for, I blinked them on, checked them out just to show you guys how they looked, what the output was compared. And the LEDs definitely were a bit brighter than obviously the stock OEM bulbs, but I just did not like them whatsoever. So within 2 minutes, we swapped them out and put the old bulbs back in. And for now, it is what it is. These older bulbs definitely, as much as I really don't like them at all, they're definitely more stealthy than those LEDs. And they really don't stick out that bad. But I will definitely continue my search to see if we can get some LED turn signals in here that look decent, at least halfway decent. So I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.